In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to see all accounts associated with your Gmail account in just 3 minutes. Let's walk through the process together, step by step, ensuring you're equipped with all the knowledge you need to manage your digital footprint effectively. This is an essential skill for anyone who wants to maintain tight control over their digital presence. First things first, you need to open your preferred web browser and head over to google.com. Once you're there, you'll find your profile icon at the top right-hand corner of the page. It might display your profile picture or just your initial, depending on how you've personalized your account. Go ahead and click on that icon. You'll see a drop-down menu, and from there, you want to select Manage Your Google Account. This page is like your dashboard and a gateway to understanding and tweaking what's going on with your Google account. On the left side of the Manage Your Google Account page, you'll notice a menu with several options. What we're interested in today is the Security tab. Give that a click, because this section is crucial. It houses all the information regarding your account security settings and the connections you have with other apps. Next, scroll down the page until you come across the section titled Third-Party Apps with Account Access. This part is pivotal as it shows you every external service that has access to your Gmail account. Perhaps it's a productivity app you linked ages ago or a service you only tried out once. Either way, it's all listed right here. In this section, you're going to see a link that says Manage Third-Party Access. Clicking this link will take you to a comprehensive list of these apps and services associated with your Gmail account. This list is incredibly useful. It presents the whole picture of what's linked to your account. Take a moment to review this list thoroughly. This is your opportunity to audit these connections. If there are any services you don't recognize or none that you want to keep linked for security or privacy reasons, you can go ahead and remove them. Being able to control which apps have access to your account not only gives you peace of mind but also helps reinforce the security of your account. And that's it. By following these steps, you've successfully discovered all the accounts linked to your Gmail and taken control of who can access your information. Remember, it's always a good idea to periodically check and manage these connections to ensure your safety online. Keeping an eye on these settings ensures that your digital footprint remains secure and your personal data stays protected. Thank you for watching, and be sure to check back for more helpful tips and tutorials.